Morning guys, we're here at Alphaland right now and I got packaging from AITM Athletics and we're gonna be opening all these 3 shirts and I'm gonna tell you about the quality and the amazing fit of them. So let's get into it. It feels really amazing, like the quality. Here's the back. Like the Greek theme. This one's calling me out. It just feels so nice. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It just feels like premium. The quality on these are just honestly out of this world. And honestly, it feels like, it makes me freaking big. Like, I'm not gonna lie. This is a size medium too. It fits so perfect to the body, like no joke. How can I get this? Oh my god. This is truly it right here. Yep. This has to be my favorite one now. It just pops really well with anything. Last but not least, the joggers. Oh my god, these feel nice. I've been needing some new joggers too, because winter is coming. Oh. These are freaking amazing. Look at the detail in this. Look at that, the stitching is beautiful. You can't tell me these are missing opportunities. These are just